What's the meaning of B.Phil? B.Phil. B.Phil.
B.Phil. B.Phil. B.Phil stands for Bachelor of Philosophy. It is an undergraduate academic degree that focuses on philosophy, ethics, and critical thinking. The curriculum of the B.Phil program typically includes courses such as metaphysics, epistemology, logic, moral philosophy, and the history of philosophy. Graduates of a B.Phil program are equipped with a strong foundation in philosophical concepts and critical thinking skills. They are well prepared for careers in fields such as law, education, government, journalism, and business. Additionally, a B.Phil degree can serve as a stepping stone towards further studies in philosophy or other related fields.